Let us start today's Matriculant session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Starting prayer. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र
भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः।
श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना।
ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना।
नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित् सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे।
Samrasya prayer for harmony from Rig Veda.
संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागयता पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मन्त्रः समितिः समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां समानं मन्त्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आपूतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति।
पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसुनाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं शरद ऋतुः कार्तिक मासः शुक्लपक्षः तच्चतुर्दशी तिथिः रेवती नक्षत्रं वज्रयोगः करजकरणं भौमवासरः। Today's date 4th November 2025 Tuesday.
तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्रान्तर्दे पापं योगात् रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्
सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
Let us continue Bhaja Govindam, the last shloka. गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्तः
गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्तः
संसारादचिराद्भवमुक्तः गुरुचरणाम्बुजनिर्भरभक्तः संसारादचिराद्भवमुक्तः सेन्द्रियमानसनियमादेवम् द्रक्ष्यसि निजहृदयस्थं देवम् सेन्द्रियमानसनियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजहृदयस्थं देवम् All together. गुरुचरणाम्बुजनिर्भरभक्तः संसारादचिराद्भवमुक्तः सेन्द्रियमानसनियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजहृदयस्थं देवम् गुरुचरणाम्बुजनिर्भरभक्तः संसारादचिराद्भवमुक्तः सेन्द्रियमानसनियमादेवं द्रक्ष्यसि निजहृदयस्थं देवम्. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. This is the last shloka of Bhajagovindam, Mohamudgaraha. Here, Bhagavan Adi Shankaracharya emphasizes on the devotional aspect, that is, Guru Charanambuja Nirbhara Bhaktaha, the one who is entirely devoted, entirely dependent, Nirbharaha, that is the word used. Nirbhara Bhaktaha, O devotee, the one who is completely dependent upon the lotus feet of the Guru. Samsarat achirat bhavamuktaha. The split there is samsarat achirat bhavamuktaha. Achirat means instantly, without any delay. Bhavamuktaha, you become a liberated person, a free person from the samsara. Samsara is the chakra. So we come here, punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. So from this samsara, achirat, instantly, immediately, bhavamuktaha, you become mukta, a free person. How is that so? By sendriya manasa niyamat evam. Indriya, we have, as humans, we have indriya and the manas. So indriya has to be regulated. All our sense organs have to be regulated. Manasa, the mental modifications along with the thought and its vritti, chitta vritti nirodha, abhyasa vairagyabhyam tan nirodha. So what is emphasized here? Indriyas have to be regulated using our karma yoga and raja yoga. Manasa has to be regulated by the buddhi yoga, because the only controller of our mind and mental modifications is the buddhi, the intellect. So buddhi yoga is emphasized there. Niyamat, by the regulation. Evam drakshyasi nija hridayastham devam. So Then we see, drakshyasi means we will see. Kaschid dhiraha pratyagatmanam aikshat. So this seeing, this word is used for self-realization. That is the word used. Drakshyasi nija hridayastham devam. Nija hridaya means your own heart. See, here Adi Shankaracharya emphasizes that Bhagavan, the Lord, is indwelling in each one of your hearts. He is not 1 kilometer away. He is immediately accessible within our own heart. As the heart beats, so the divinity pulsates. That is why Nija Hridayastham Devam Tada Drakshyasi. When do you see? When you are completely devoted. Guru Charanam Bhuja Nirbhara Bhakta. So devotional aspect is also brought out. So we all know that Adi Shankaracharya Bhagavan is well known. He is a champion of knowledge. But he is also a champion of Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga and Raja Yoga and of course Jnana Yoga. This is the entire culmination of Bhajagovindam or Moha Mudgaraha. The word Mudgaraha means a hammer, a sledgehammer. So Moha is the delusion. So using this sledgehammer of Bhajagovindam, we destroy delusion entirely. That is Moha Mudgaraha. So finally, Bhajagovindam. We will end by chanting the first verse, Bhajagovindam, entirely, once together. Bhajagovindam, Bhajagovindam, Govindam, Bhajamudhamate, Samprapte, Sannihite Kale, Nahi Nahi Rakshati Dukkham Karane. Shri Krishna Arpanastu. Hari Om.
Shanti Mantra.
सर्वे